Hey everybody, so got a little issue here in the garden. You know how rainwater contains soluble nitrogen, which the garden loves, and nitrogen helps encourage nice leafy green growth. Take a look. Yikes. These tomato plants are so overgrown that I don't even know where to start with my pruning efforts. I guess I'm just gonna have to get in there and hack away. Wish me luck. Alrighty, here's the after. Much better. Now my cucumbers can actually grow in peace. The cherry tomatoes are still kind of wild, but I did the best that I could for today, and that is beautiful to me. Everybody go and have a beautiful day. Bye bye everybody.